Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to show you how this mop is, which is Spotzero by Milton mop, which is a spinning mop. Means we can easily drain the water completely by this spinning technology, we can say. See here, if you can observe, I'm just zooming it. This is Spotzero by Milton. This is available on Amazon, Flipkart and Myntra, and I'll be showing you the prices here in the online. Maybe I bought this on Flipkart, I guess. I exactly don't remember. Yeah, I'll first show you the online prices of this mop, then I'll be continuing back to the video. Yeah, here, see here, if I check on both Flipkart and also on the Myntra, the price is same, 1400 rupees. The main reason I'm going for this Milton brand is, first of all, this is a branded item. So Milton, as many of you know, it's a branded, and I just check the reviews before buying any online product, and it's got 4.3, and even in Amazon also I checked, there are good ratings on Amazon, and even I compared it on Myntra, and each and every where the ratings are good. So that's the reason I bought this. Yeah, I'll come back to this video. Yeah, coming back to the video, the main reason I'm bought this because is the durability. There are many spinning mops available, means this technology draining mops available, but the reason for me going for this is, even though if it is like for 1400 rupees, many are available for less than this also, but this is durable, and this plastic and this stainless steel rod are very good product quality. That's the reason I checked all the reviews, and I personally using this for the past 3 months, and the durability is good and the working is really good. Actually, we can lock the height adjustment, and mopping with this particular this sort of mop is really easy when compared to the other traditional. Means you can carry a bucket of water, the clean water, and when you do the mop on the floor, you can easily drain with this. And if you observe, there are wheels here. If possible, I'll show. This is the handle, you can easily carry, or else there are wheels here. I'll zoom it if possible. You can just drag it with the wheels as they gets rotated. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and let me know which company mop stick are you currently using, and how you feel about this product if anyone else is using this product.